Welcome to WPU School of Business at MIT-WPU University, where education meets excellence. Why you should choose WPU School of Business for your BBA or MBA. Our programs are meticulously designed to provide a holistic learning experience, integrating theoretical knowledge with practical applications. Our teaching methods are innovative and dynamic, from case studies and interactive lectures to hands-on projects. We believe in learning by doing. Our faculty fosters an environment that encourages critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration, essential skills for success in today's business landscape. Wondering about your career prospects? Our programs open doors to a wide array of opportunities. Gain hands-on experience through our exclusive paid internships program. Immerse yourself in a global learning experience with our GlobalImmersion program. Partnering with prestigious institutions abroad, we offer you a chance to broaden your horizons and learn from the international experts and build a network that spans the globe. Our dedicated placement cell works tirelessly to connect students with top-notch companies. Join us at the WPU School of Business. Take the first step towards the success and be prepared for a transformative journey that will shape your career and life.